Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about .call method. It's part of the function constructor and with a given this value. So this keyword. So what we're gonna do is think about a situation that you are creating a product app, or you can say a shopping app. So it has a product, and product have name and price with a and but think about food, and you want to put that in another function with that function too. So what we need is call function. What it does, it will call a function from another function. So what we're gonna do now, create a function called product, pass argument name comma price, and now what we do is this dot name equals name, and this dot price equals price. Simple as that. So when we're done with that, and now we want to call from a function called food, which is a product, but we want with a different function and a category of food. So what we're gonna do is create a function, name it as food, and name comma price. When we're done with that, we want to call the product function. In this case, these are constructors. So what we're gonna do, use the call method, pass two things. This, it is for the callback. Number second is name, where we're gonna get the name from the name, and what we're gonna do, say price. When we're done with that, use this dot category equals food, and what's gonna happen is now it becomes that function. It will part of that function too, and but with a special one more more property with called category. So let me log it on a console, use the constructor, new constructor function, and a new food. And now what we're gonna do, pass an string argument of, think about like cheese, and the price of it like $5. When we're done with that, put dot name. After that, it will say that what is the name of that. So what in this case, it's cheese. If you want to know the category, you will say food. But if you deal with the product, you can't. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you guys next time.